Hello, my viewers, and welcome back to my channel. This is Reviews by Auntie Monica. Thank you so much. I can see I have new viewers. Thank you so much. You are most welcome. This page, we usually do reviews on household gadgets and appliances. And if you have anything, maybe you have a washing machine or you have a microwave that maybe you don't understand its functionality and you'd like me to maybe take you through it, please just comment on the comment section. And for my old viewers, welcome back. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. I appreciate so much. So today I have a small kitchen gadget. It's some call it a butter dispenser, others call it a pancake dispenser, others a cupcake dispenser. It depends the usage that made you purchase it. Personally, I bought it for pancake and cupcakes. So I tried to do a background check for maybe when it was invented and stuff, like I always do, to give you the history of a particular gadget. But for this one, the only thing I learned is that it's really common in American households. And there are two types. There's the plastic type, and there is the stainless steel. The stainless steel is slightly pricey, and also it's not very common in Kenya. But this one, it has started making its way in the market, maybe I think from 2019. But it's still not very common in Kenya. It's not yet very common in Kenya. So the reason why I bought it, it's because it reduces spillage in the kitchen. You know, when you're making any meal using flour, you can all agree with me, it comes with a lot of spilling and everything. But this one, I bought it for that particular reason, and also to make my work easier. So one thing I will tell you about it is that when you are using it, one, you don't mix the flour paste here, the pancake paste here. You mix it on a separate bowl, then you pour it in here, you cover it. Then now you pull this is a lever, so you pull it here, it has an opening, it releases the paste to the pan. So you pull it, once you put the enough paste that you need, you release the lever. Yeah, so it's 900 ml there, and it's fragile. Please know this is fragile, so don't put it next to your fireplace or your oven burner. It will burn it. This one is very fragile. And also don't drop it. And another thing I can tell you, if maybe you do your dishes via the sink, please don't like put it with other items. Like, don't mix it up, especially with things like knives. It will scratch, or forks, it will scratch. This material, it will scratch it. Just wash it separately, allow it to dry, wipe it, then keep it. It's not that it's that fragile, but what I meant is it's good to take care of it, because you can see it's plastic. It's a dishwasher friendly, by the way. It's dishwasher friendly. Then most of them, while I was doing my research, they're almost the same color. This one, I got it from Kilimall. It's an online shop here in Kenya. I got it on offer. It was going for 599 shillings, but the normal price goes for around almost 1,590, almost 2,000. That is $4.38. Yeah. So it's a company called Nunix. I started seeing Nunix brand around 2020. They have started now becoming more and more known from 2021. Well, another thing I will want to purchase from their brand, what I've liked, is the dispenser. They have the full automatic dispenser. Then it's not a top loader, it's an under loader. You don't place the water bottle from up, you place it from outside, from let's say from under. You place it, then you insert the pipe that will now bring the water to the tap, and it's fully automatic. It's costing 16,000 shillings. Other people are selling it at 17,000. So let's say roughly it's around that price. So I'm budgeting myself. I need to get that gadget. That dispenser is so nice. It's so nice. Actually, I saw it in one of the home appliances shops, and I checked on it. It's very nice. Trust me, you need that gadget. I'm actually saving up. Very soon I'll do a review on it. Yeah. So this one, I'll just say, for me, it will work for me when it comes to cupcakes. When you're here in Kenya, you call them queen cakes. So when you're making the queen cakes and you have already made your paste and you have put now the cupcakes papers are on the tray, you just go pressing around the tray. You just go pressing around the tray, and then that's it. And also for the pancakes, I just pull the lever, I release the paste, yeah, and that's it. So I don't have much reviews on it. It's such a nice household gadget. It's a lifesaver. You can get one for yourself. And yeah, I'll continue also checking out more items from Nunix, and see what other thing I can bring on board in my collections, and give a review about it. So thank you so much. Thank you. Continue subscribing. This particular video, it's for my new subscribers. Enjoy. Asante.